Hi guys, if you want to disable pop-up blocker in Google Chrome, then let's see how to do it. If you want to completely turn off the pop-up blocker for all sites, then for that, first of all go to three dots menu and then go to settings and then go to privacy and security and scroll down and click on site settings. Again scroll down and under the content section, you will see this option, pop-ups and redirects. Simply click on it. And now on the pop-ups and redirects page, under the default behavior section, you will see these two options. To disable pop-up blockers for all sites, simply select this option. Site can send pop-ups and use redirects. Simply select it. And once you select this option, Chrome's pop-up blocker will be completely disabled. So that's it guys. This is how you can easily turn off the pop-up blocker in Google Chrome browser. If you like this video, please subscribe the channel.